Operators in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will discuss the arithmetic operators in Python programming language. But first you should know what is the meaning of operators. Simply, operators are special symbols in Python programming language that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. And the value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Also, what is the meaning of the arithmetic operators in Python? Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Now let's start with a simple example for using the plus sign operator that performs addition. As you can see in this case, for the addition operation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and the output is equal to 6. Now let's move on to the subtraction process or operation. Let's subtract two numbers using the minus sign. We have subtracted the number 4 from the number 30 as you can see, and the result for this subtraction process is equal to 26. Now let's talk about the multiplication operation. We simply used the asterisk symbol to multiply two operands, exactly as follows. Here we have a simple multiplication operation of two numbers using the asterisk multiplication sign. 5 multiplied by 10 and the result in this case 50. Let's move on to the division operation. In Python programming language, you can use the slash symbol for the division operation to divide left operand by the right one. And always in Python programming language, the output for any division operation is a floating point number, as in the following example. This is a simple mathematical operation for division. 10 divided by 4 and the result is a floating point number as you can see, or a float, and it is equal to 2.5. Now let's talk about the modulus operator in Python programming language. So what is the meaning of modulus? Simply, modulus is the remainder of the division of left operand by the right. The remainder of the division operation. Let me show you a simple example. As you can see in this case, the remainder of dividing these two numbers, 10 and 4, is 2. Because the last number that is divisible by 4 is the number 8. And the difference between the number 8 and the number 10 is equal to 2. That's it, very simply. Also in Python programming language, you can use the floor division to get the result without a decimal point. You will get an integer number, not a floating point number, exactly as follows. The floor division operation for 10 and 4 is equal to 2, and as you can see the decimal point is neglected. And the last operation that we will discuss is the exponential operation, and we use it in Python programming language as in the following way. For this purpose, as you can see, we use double asterisks. Left operand raised to the power of right, 5 raised to the power of 2, and the result in this case is equal to 25. Also, you can store numbers inside variables and use them in the mathematical operations that we have explained, exactly as in the following example. Here we created two variables. The value of x is equal to 5 and the value of y variable is equal to 10. And depending on these two values, 5 and 10, we did all the mathematical operations as you can see: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, and finally the exponent. That's it, simply. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.